Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Wanted to go over a couple things on our rear disc brake kit. Now what we've got here is a Dana 60, right? I think it's like out of one of my 63 Dodges. And of course, when you're tackling rear disc brakes, changeover, most people assume that you kind of know what you're doing, and you've been around mechanics or whatever, you're having somebody do it, or you've got some common sense or whatever. So, so there's been a couple people. Now, check this out. This is an old casting Dana 60. See this flange right here? Our pedestals are very unique. They're shaved right there. So they fit very well. They can't move, can't rock. Now, when we first decided to bolt this on here, we had a little bit of a problem. This has been sitting out forever. It's rusted really bad. It's built up over time. We chased the holes because they're very snug. We smoothed that off real quick. I mean, come on, guys, right? We even flattened out where our pedestal stands are, too. So, I don't know if you know how many Dana 60s have been made in the world since the inception, but there are quite a few. Now, if you believe that this right here is exactly the same on every single one of them within about 20 thousandths, you are sorely mistaken and probably very gullible. Yeah, so we cleaned this up real quick. Zip, zip, zip. Shoot, we even took our file right there, because we wanted to just check some stuff, because, our pedestals, they need to sit flat. There you go. That's how snug they are. See there? We actually, because it worked even faster, actually took a file real quick. Zip, zip, zip. Now see, I've solved this all because I got tired of showing people. That's why we can't get to the phone most of the times, because our baby's sitting. So there we go. So now we know that it all bolts up our free pedestals for our brackets, right? So, we've had a couple of people over the years go, well, they don't fit. Well, if your assemblies are 30 thousandths off, or you need to take a file or do something, and you don't know how to do that, or proceed on with the project, and you come to a screeching halt, you probably shouldn't be doing the project. You probably should not be doing the project. And so here we have a bracket right here. And so I've actually had, maybe one or two people over the years that told us that they didn't fit. Well, let's see what's going on. Well, shit. Doggone it. Nope. That doesn't line up. Damn, what am I going to do? Shit. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe my shit don't fit. Oh, Are these holes just a teeny bit different? Do they look like they're exactly the same? Oh yeah. But they might not be. They just might not be. So I tell you what. So when we got clients that tell us that the holes don't line up, and we have machined our stuff in error, and yada, 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 you really need to know what you're talking about. Now, I wanted to use this. It won't go down because the bolts have hit right there. I wanted to use this so that people would understand that this fits. Folks, we are not the big box store or the distributor. We are the people that design this stuff from start to finish and supply this stuff. We have bolted it on, used it, and run it. Because we're the experts in this field. When you're doing assembly, double check things before you get to assuming, calling somebody up, wearing out some little girl on the phone about how it don't fit, and yada yada. And if you were doing it, you'd do this, and you'd do that, and all that. Well, yeah, that's all bullshit. Anyway, that's really all there is to it.